Hi guys, this is Inkati, and we are here to introduce group wheels. This one is for the front wheel. The diameter is 21 inches and 3.5 inches in width. This one is for the rear wheel, and the size is 18 inches to the 5.5 inches. They're both made out of the aluminum and with forge process used. They're both fit in Harley-Davidson, Indian, Victoria and Honda. That's it.